Welcome to our ultimate guide on pursuing a master's degree in the USA. If you're thinking about studying in one of the most prestigious education systems in the world, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from choosing the right program to applying for a visa and finding job opportunities after graduation. Stick around to get all your questions answered.
Why do over 1 million international students choose the USA for higher education? First, the USA boasts some of the world's best universities like MIT, Stanford, and Harvard, known for cutting-edge research and academic excellence. The flexibility of the American education system allows you to customize your curriculum so you can focus on what matters most to your career. Plus, being the USA means access to world-class resources, networking opportunities, and exposure to a diverse global community. Lastly, the USA offers unique career opportunities through optical practical training, which allows you to work in your field for up to 3 years after graduation if you are in STEM program. Choosing the right university and right program is very important. Selecting the right university and program is crucial. Start by identifying programs that align you with your career goals and research interests. Look for universities with strong faculty and research facilities in your area of study. Websites like US News, QS World University Rankings, and university-specific pages are great resources. Remember to consider location as it affects living costs and job opportunities. If possible, connect with alumni to understand their experience and gain insights about the university. The application process for the master's program can be complex. So let's break it down. First, know that the most university requires standardized test scores like the GRE or GMAT. If you are applying to a business program, the GMAT might be required, while STEM programs often ask for the GRE. Non-native English speakers will need to take the TOEFL and IELTS to prove English proficiency. Next, gather your documents. A strong statement of purpose that highlights your academic and career aspirations, letters of recommendations from professors or employers, a detailed resume or CV, and academic transcripts. Each of these components play a vital role in showcasing your capabilities. Finally, be mindful of deadlines, which typically fall between December and February for the following academic year. Plan to submit your applications well in advance to avoid any last-minute issues. Visa process and immigration. Once you receive your admission letter, it's time to apply for an F1 student visa. The first step is to get your I-20 form from the university. You will then need to pay the service fees and fill out the DS-160 form for the visa application. Book your visa appointment at the nearest US embassy. During your visa interview, be prepared to discuss your university choice, program details, financial situation, and post-graduation plans. Make sure to have all your documents like your I-20, financial proof, and admission letter ready. Once approved, you're all set to book your flights and plan your move. Financial planning and scholarships. Funding your master's degree can be a big concern, but there are several options. Tuition fees can range from $20,000 to $50,000 per year, depending on university and program. Add another $10,000 to $20,000 per year for living expenses. To manage costs, explore scholarships, assistantships, and part-time job opportunities. Universities often offer merit-based scholarships, so make sure to apply early. Teaching and research assistantships can also help cover tuition fees and living expenses. Platforms like scholarships.com and university financial aid offices are good starting points for finding fundings. Adjusting to life in the USA. Moving to a new country is exciting but can also be challenging. To make the transition smoother, familiarize yourself with American culture and customs. Finding the right housing is crucial. On-campus housing is convenient but can be expensive, while off-campus housing may require a bit more research. Websites like Zillow or university housing portals can be helpful. Don't forget to set up essential services like a bank account and a mobile plan. Also, learn how to navigate public transportation in your city. Making friends and joining student organization can also help you settle in and build a support system. Job prospects and career opportunities. One of the biggest draws of studying in the USA is the career opportunities. The optional practical training program allows you to work in your field for up to 1 year after graduation or up to 3 years if you are in a STEM field. During this period, you can apply for jobs and even transition to an H-1B work visa. Make use of university career services to network, attending job fairs, and connect with alumni. Building a strong LinkedIn profile and preparing for technical and behavioral interviews are key steps in your job search. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these common mistakes. First, don't wait until the last minute to prepare your documents or take standardized tests. Second, make sure you understand US academic norms like the importance of academic integrity and active classes participation. Finally, have a clear financial plan to avoid running into budget issues.
That's a wrap on everything you need to know about pursuing a master's degree in the USA. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. If you have any questions or need more detailed guidance, drop them in the comments below. Good luck with your journey to studying in the USA, and see you in the next video.